Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this tutorial which is using some of my favorite drugstore products of 2017. I think this is the perfect like everyday sleigh, but it's still like glam. Like you can go out in this, you can go date night in this, you can go to work in this, you can go grocery shopping in this. So this is like an all-inclusive makeup look using some of my favorite products of 2017. I am doing in a separate video, I'm talking to you about the products. I just wanted to split it into two because if I did it like the tutorial and talking in one video is going to be like the longest video of all time. So this is not a talk through tutorial. I'm just going to put some music on and might do a little bit of voiceover. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you love makeup tutorials and product reviews, this would be a great time to subscribe to my channel because I post videos daily at 8 p.m. PST, and that is everything that I have to say. I'm going to shut up right now because it's late. I need to go to sleep. Like it's 10:44. I gotta take a shower, wash this makeup off, get to bed. So enjoy the video. Love you guys so much, and let's get into it.
The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We're reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Reaching for the stars. I wonder where you are. Reaching for the stars. I wonder where you are. We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard.
Alright you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel if you've not already. And make sure that when you subscribe you hit that notification bell so that you'll notify every single time I upload a brand new video. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. If I haven't said it already, I'm so grateful for you guys. 2018 is going to be wonderful. So if you have any video requests, definitely leave them down below and let me know what your favorite drugstore product of 2017 is. I would love to know. I want to film a like new at the drugstore video because drugstore is like literally 90% what I use on a daily basis, and then I'll mix it in with my high-end stuff. But drugstore slay, like, I'm here for it. I'm so here for budget friendly makeup, and I know you are too because you are watching this video. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram as well. I post daily there, as well as Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook as well. Join me when I'm not on here. That's where you'll find me. If you have any questions for me, definitely tweet me. I'll leave all my links to all my socials down below, as well as the product that I used in this video. That is enough for my rambling. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless you. And remember, don't let anybody dim your glitter. Hey!